Welcome to the latest edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. We start with Novartis Avidity. On 26th of October 2025, Novartis agreed to acquire Avidity Biosciences for $12 billion, adding late-stage antibody oligonucleotide conjugate RNA programs in DM1, FSHD and DMD. Avidity's early precision cardiology assets will move to a spin company, with closing targeted for the first half of 2026. Novartis also raised its 2024 to 2029 sales. CAGR guidance from +5% to +6%, aiming for launches before 2030, signalling deeper investment in this modality and its neuroscience pipeline. Next, European policy. On 27 October 2025, a Chiesi executive argued that fragmented registries and country-specific HTA demand slow access in rare and ultra-rare diseases. The op-ed calls for harmonized standards, interoperable infrastructure, and swift European health data space implementation to streamline evidence generation and accelerate equitable access. In the United States, Nord unveiled the IAMRARE mobile companion app on 28 October 2025. IAMRARE already hosts over 70 natural history studies across 165 rare diseases, with prior publications and contribution to one approved therapy. The app aims to capture faster, higher quality patient-reported data via phones, supporting research, screening, trial initiation, and follow-up at scale. Also on 28 October 2025, the European Commission approved Koselugo selumetinib for symptomatic inoperable plexiform neurofibromas in adults with NF1. In the Phase 3 KOMET study, the objective response rate at cycle 16 was 20% versus 5% with placebo, and safety was consistent with paediatric experience. Turning to the UK, on the 2nd of November 2025, the MHRA signalled a major rulebook overhaul for rare therapies. The paper outlines flexible pathways, stronger post-market surveillance, and better evidence sharing through a rare disease consortium. It explores a single early approval that would cover both clinical trial authorization and marketing, paired with strict safety monitoring and periodic real-world evidence review. Collaboration funding is also in focus. The ERDERA Networking Support Scheme, open since May 2025, offers up to €30,000 per event for cross-border rare disease and rare cancer networking. Events must involve at least 3 eligible countries and can be in-person or hybrid, with emphasis on underrepresented regions. In regulatory updates for Fabry disease, on 3rd of November 2025, Chiesi and Protalix sought EMA re-examination after a CHMP negative opinion on adding every 4 weeks dosing for Elfabrio, pegunigalsidase alpha. The every 2 weeks regimen remains approved, and the marketing authorization continues while the European Commission considers the re-examination outcome. Finally, on the 4th of November 2025, the FDA approved UCB's Kygevvi, the first therapy for TK2 deficiency. This oral solution is indicated for pediatric and adult patients with onset at or before 12 years. A European filing has been submitted, and early presented data cite survival and motor improvements, with payer and prescriber evaluations to follow as full evidence matures. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.